remember the bird. She soared and she swept, lost her way, and then she left. When the falconer, she wouldn't be kept. She flew with great passion, she flew with great grace, invisible to the competition, embarked on some illusory race. Up and down in wider circles flew her passion, evident reminds me of you. Sometimes I look at the gentle features, adoring your beautiful face. You are the loveliest of creatures. And I feel like the falcon, not quaint, not trained, but still half wild, body and brain of a man, but the heart of a child. And I wonder what links us, what tears doubts asunder, what makes us both manage. Is it something you ever wonder? Up and down in wider circles flew her passion, evident reminds me of you. Flying ever wider circles, interlocking are we, lovebirds of a feather, in 6 days in the same